Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to tell you how you can actually earn money when someone watches videos which you will actually refer to them. So do stick till the end of the video because we are going to cover all the 3 steps, how this works, where to find the videos from, how to set up your account to get paid, and then from where to get the traffic, because this is not making your own videos, so you don't have to go on camera or make some YouTube videos or in some other ways. This is actually getting videos from YouTube, the ready-made videos from YouTube, and then make people watch those videos, and then you get paid for that. So make sure you stick till the end so that you can understand the whole process. So the very first thing we are going to cover is these 3 steps. First is how to find trending videos on YouTube, because you will need to find those videos which people are actually watching currently, today. And then second is you're going to find that system which will help you to get paid for somebody watching those videos. And third step is how do you make people watch your videos? That means how do you get traffic to those videos? So we are going to cover these 3 steps one by one. Make sure you like this video right now, do subscribe to the channel, and then let's move on further. So the next thing which we're going to do is find trending videos. So in order to find trending videos, first of all, we should focus on category, and I think you need to choose gaming videos. So for example, if you go to YouTube here and just type in Minecraft, you can use any other game, Fortnite, Kung Fu Panda, anything, and just press enter or search here, and you will see that this video was posted 10 hours ago only, and it has got 84,000 views. Similarly, this video was posted 9 hours ago and got 29,000 views. So this is how you can find trending videos about a particular topic. And second is, what you need to do is go into Google search and type in YouTube trending videos, and then click on this link and you will get to this page, and you will get this screen here first. So youtube.com/feed/trending. What you need to do is click on this thing gaming here. So it has now music and gaming, so click on gaming, and this will tell you all those trending videos about games which are trending right now on YouTube channel. So this is step 1, how you find the video which you need to promote in order to get paid. So you need to select your video here which should be related to Minecraft. So luckily this video here is about Minecraft, which is the first video which was posted 24 hours ago, which is trending. So we have chosen Minecraft as the topic, and luckily we got the trending video, this Minecraft, which is on number 1. Similarly, if you find Kung Fu Panda or Fortnite, you can do any of these games. So now what we need to do is we need to go to step 2, and that means finding the system which is going to pay you for watching these videos. Now that system is this website called shrinkme.io. As you can see the link at the top, shrinkme.io. Now who are these people? Let's understand how will you make money with these people. They say that they will give you a sign-up bonus of $1. So if you register to their website right now, $1 will be credited into your account instantly. The minimum payout which they are going to give you is $5. So as soon as you have $5 in your dashboard, they'll pay you, and the payment frequency is daily. So it's not like you have to wait for a week or 10 days or 2 weeks or 1 month or 10 months. You don't have to wait. As soon as you have $5, they'll pay you on daily basis. What are the payment methods? You can obviously use PayPal. If you don't like PayPal, I don't like PayPal. So I don't trust PayPal. I can use UPI. So let's say you have Bitcoins. You can use PayPal. You can use Payer. You can use Web Money. You can use UPI if you're in India, Paytm in India, bank transfer in India. So globally, you can use PayPal, or you can sign up for Web Money. You can sign up for Bitcoin wallet. It's pretty easy how you can get paid. And then next thing is, now let's, we have found the system, so we need to go and make an account on the system. So click on the top right corner, click on register, fill up these details, fill up your username, fill up your email address, password twice, make sure you check this box, I am not a robot, agree to the terms, and hit register. Once you click on register, you will get your username and password, which means then you can log in. So you need to hit the login button, and as soon you put in your email or the username and the password, you will log into the system, and that will look like this. So this is the dashboard, this is how it will look like, and you can see $1 has been credited into your account. Okay, so $1 is there. All you need to do is make your first $4 and then get paid. So before you start promoting their links, let's fill up your profile, because you need to go into settings here. Make sure you go into settings, then click on your profile here, and then fill up your billing address, your first and last name, and most importantly, choose your payment method, which could be PayPal or web money or Bitcoin or whatever. So go for PayPal and then put in your email address, and this is your PayPal email ID. So here you just need to make sure submit everything, and then let's go back to the dashboard. So if you click on shrinkme.io, now this is your dashboard. Okay, now what is going to happen is you will need to put in a URL here, and this URL will be the URL of your YouTube video page, and then they're going to shrink it. So let's say if we go back to our YouTube page here, and we were finding this trending video, and or maybe this trending video. So let's do one thing, let's open this video, or rather than opening it, I'm just copy the link of the video. So I'll right click and click on copy link, and then come back here and paste this URL, and then click on this arrow pointing towards your right, and this will give us a shrink link. Now you're gonna copy this link, okay? And now once you have copied the link, you need to promote this link all over the internet, because now we're coming to the third step, is how you bring traffic to these YouTube videos. Because if you can't bring traffic, then you don't make money. Okay, so third step is very crucial. How do you bring traffic to these website or blog or YouTube videos in this case? Now let's come back to the third step. What you need to do is, let's say in this particular example, we are talking about Minecraft. So you need to target those audiences which are which are interested in Minecraft. So the best thing is you go into Google search and you type in Minecraft forum, and you click on the first website and then open the link here. What you need to do is, this is the minecraftforum.net. You will need to click on the section which says forum on the top, the third one from the top, so news, rules, and then forum. Now you click on forum here, and make sure first of all you register here. So you click on this register thing here, and you fill up your details, or just register with your Google account too. So if you're a Gmail account, just log in. All right, let's go back to forums again, and here you will see there are a list of discussions going on, and check out the number of posts here, check out number of threads here. So there are a lot of people visiting these forums, so you can get billions of people reading your questions, or you can answer the questions of other people, and along with that you can leave your shrink me link. Okay, so let's take an example here. Let's talk about this discussion forum or category. Now once you're in discussions, you can see there are these number of posts inside 2 days ago. You can see this one here, how did you choose your username, and it has got almost 4,000 views. Okay, so 4,000 people have watched this topic. The number one, what are Endermen? This topic has been watched by 8,792 people. So here what you're gonna do is, you're going to first of all log in, and then once you are into the discussion forum, you click on new thread. Okay, now I'm not logged in, so it will ask me for first to log in. So once you are logged in, you will click on new thread, and then you will post a question there. Make sure you have a valid question related to the topic of Minecraft, and ask people to take action. And within that question, make sure you put your shrink me link. So make sure within that question which you're drafting, you put this link here and ask them to click on this link. So you have to write something which should be call to action, and that's how people need to click on that link. So maybe you're giving a solution to a problem. So First thing, you write your own question and then people will click on the link. Second is you go about and click on one of these posted questions already, like what are Endermen, because 8,000 people already have seen this thread. Now here at the bottom you will get a chance to answer. So the question was, what are Endermen? Now if you know what are Endermen, you can actually comment here. So it says to post a comment. So once you logged in, you will have the chance to post a comment. So once you click on post comment, you can actually tell them who was Enderman, and then you post your shrink me link there and ask people to take action, or take call, okay, call to action. So once you have answered this post, as you can see, 8,000 people have visited already in the last 24 hours. Similarly, you need to do this process repeatedly. Go to other posts, answer the questions, or make your own posts and ask people to comment on that or take action and click on the link. So this is how you can get free traffic to these shrinkme.io URLs, and as many videos are going to see this video from you, you are going to get paid. Now let's understand how much you're gonna get paid, because it depends from country to country. So we'll have to find here what is their payout rate. So let's go back, and this is the payout rate as per the country. So if people are watching your videos from Greenland, so Greenland, let's say if 1,000 people are watching videos from Greenland, you will be paid $22 for desktop traffic and $22 for mobile traffic or tablet traffic. So Greenland is the high CPM. After that, you have Ireland. So if 1,000 people watches from Ireland, you're going to get paid $16. Belgium 7.5, UK 7, United States 7. So maybe mostly you guys are in United States, then you will be paid $7 per 1,000 views. It's not something even YouTube pays. So if you run YouTube channels, YouTube even might not pay $7 for 1,000 views. So it's a pretty good deal, okay? So all you need to do is promote your links to forums, and this is one example. We talked about Minecraft. If you have unique videos in your mind, and if you know how to bring traffic to those videos, this is absolutely free for you. Sign up to shrinkme.io and start start shrinking these links first. So go to YouTube, find those trending videos here, and then copy their URL, then paste those URL into shrinkme, and then post those URLs and get traffic from forum websites or from some other ways. And that's how you make money. This is free. This is not something which you will get rich in one day or 1 month, but if you have time, if you have understood the process, you can definitely try and make some money online, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video so far, and subscribe to the channel, because we will be bringing up these videos, make money online for free from home, every other day or every second day. So thank you so much again. Do subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.